Product filters, it is a powerful tool that enables you to help your customers in easily discovering the products that they are interested to buy. In this tutorial video, I'm going to explain to you how you can easily and quickly create product filters for the products on your online store. So without spending any more time, let's quickly get started. Before moving ahead, let's try to understand the usability of filters in a better way. So I am on this online store and I'm looking for formal wear. So in that case, I can just simply apply the formal wear filter here and I can see all the formal wear products which are there on this online store, and I can easily and quickly make the purchase decision. The quicker the customer is able to discover the right product or the product that they are looking for, the probability or the chances of you getting an order from that customers increases exponentially. So that's where it is in your interest that you help the customer discover the right product as quickly as possible, so that your chances of getting the order from the customer increases. This is how filter will help you in increasing or improving the conversions of on your online store. Now let's try to understand how you can quickly create and apply product filters on the products on your online store. The first step is obviously to open the seller panel. In the left navigation, you have to click on Catalogue, which will expand the options, or it will expand the drop down, and then you have to click on the option Products, which will open the product interface. Now the easiest and the quickest way to create and apply filters is using the bulk format or the bulk inventory update file, which can be downloaded using this option, download CSV. You have to click on this option and an Excel file will get downloaded. Just save and open that file. So this is the file which gets downloaded. You have to scroll towards the right side of the file, and that's where you'll see columns titled as filter 1, filter 2, filter 3. Now filter has two components. For example, here if we look at this example, it is processor and then Core i5. So processor is the label and then the corresponding value is Core i5. Now we are just looking at one example. If there were multiple laptops added to this particular online store, then there will be some laptop that has i3 processor and there will be some laptop that has i7 processor. So in that case, the processor, which is the label, it will remain consistent, but the values will keep changing. It will be Core i5, Core i7 or Core i3, depending on what type of processor is there in the product. For the benefit of time, we are just using one product. So similarly, you have to populate the information here. The first part is the label of the filter. So for example, this is where I showed you processor and Core i5. The next one is RAM, and then we have 8 GB, and you have to use the greater than sign. So RAM, and then you can see greater than sign here, and then 8 GB. Similarly, storage 1 TB, graphic Intel. So I have added few hypothetical values here, but in the similar fashion, you can add up to 15 filters in this Excel file, and you don't have to pre-create anything. You don't have to do anything. Whatever values or whatever filters you want to create, you can straight away come here and add the information into this Excel file. Once you have updated this file, you have to just save this file, go back to the seller panel and upload it. After adding the required filter values in the Excel file, you have to just come back to the seller panel and then click on bulk edit CSV, and then click on upload CSV. Select the file from your device, upload the file, and the filters will get added to the products on your online store. Let's see how these filters are looking on our demonstration store. So this is the front end of this demonstration store, and you can see the filters are added, and this is how the values are appearing. So this is how you will also be able to add filters to the products on your online store. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any suggestion or any comment, please do feel free to add that in the comment of this video.